Hello, testing. Okay, here we go. Now, yesterday I put this wig on because I had to go out. I had something else planned, but I didn't get to that, so we have to take this off. Now, if you look at this is on pretty good. Looks pretty good. See, it's on pretty good. You can brush it all back. See that? Hairline looks great, but we gotta take it off. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use water. Now, what I used to put it on was the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. Pretty good spray. See that? I put 2 coats. That was it. It was lifting a little bit, so I put an elastic band on it to hold it down overnight. There she is, right back in place. This comes in a yellow can and a red can. The yellow can says daily use, and the red can says extra hold, I believe. I don't see it right now, but I'm sure that's what it says, extra hold. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the water, and I'm gonna put this over my face because I don't want water getting in my eyes. All right, so we're gonna point it right there. That's the hairline. Get it good and wet. All right, so now what I do is I massage the water in. See, massage that water in. Spray it again. Massage it. Ooh. Spray it some more. Oops. Massage it. See, it's lifting. Lifting right up. See that? That way you don't pull your hair out, break off your edges, nothing like that. Spray. There we go. Rub it in. You always got to rub it in. So be sure to get all the adhesive. So spray this side. Spray it. Rub it in. See that? Comes right up. Spray right here. Rub it in. See how it's coming up? Lifting right up. Just water. See that? No alcohol. See that? Comes right up. All right. That's how I lift my wig up. See? There it is. Okay. So that's how I remove it. Now, I'm not going to lift it up yet because I know it looks a mess. Oh, well, who cares? We're going to be transparent in this. And there we go. And all I do is spray some more water around the edges. because that's where the glue wasn't in the hair, but it was on my skin. I just want to make sure I get it off, so because later on I'm going to install something else. So there we go. Nose itch. This is how I remove my wigs when I use the Wonder Bond Lace Spray by Ebin. Great stuff. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more of Diva Hair Blessings and Diva Hair for the Mature. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.